trees are starting to ice up. It's 30 degrees and we're getting little mist, and it's getting ice on all the trees. I think winter has found us.
Well, for going out and taking a picture of a mushroom I saw from in the house, boy, I got distracted, but in a good way. So I got some more skins from a pine tree that was standing that's dead. And I know a lot of you are thinking, what in the world are you going to do with bark? It's all eaten up. It's all nasty. Oh, there's lots you can do with it. Just wait. Joe got these logs last year in a barter with some other work. They were cedars that were cut down by a neighbor who was building their home. And last year I was able to peel back about half of it. And, you know, winter, cold and damp and gloomy. You know, that cold weather though, and that dampness makes perfect for trying to get the rest of that bark off. So I'm going to peel the rest off. I mean, it literally just comes right off now. Get these dried out this summer. And not sure what I'm going to do with them. If we do end up building in Kentucky, I'm definitely going to put some of these in the house somewhere. Until then, they can just keep drying.
Okay, so I've been asked many times, you know, hey, what happened to your body? You try to keep in shape. So this newest episode here, this is one of my feet that the VA operated on about 6 or 7 years ago. They promised me I'd be able to run on it again. It was all broken up pretty good. Well, needless to say, I can hardly walk on it anymore because of the way they supposedly fixed it. So now the bone that was fused together is broken. One of the 2 pins is broken, and the other one is going to break soon, most likely. And this is undoubtedly what has wrecked my hips and my spine, because I haven't been able to walk on it properly. I share these things only because things often look like they're hunky-dory and so easy all the time, and I get accusations from people, you know, oh, it must be nice to just run around and blah blah blah. Well, you guys know the rest of it. But anyways, I have to decide now if I'm going to have this foot fixed or not, and how long I'll put off the back stuff. So I'll keep grumbling along here and do the best that I can, but this stuff does wear on me, but I try to maintain a positive attitude. So let's keep moving on here.
Are you the queen of the drone box? Yeah, you're in charge of the drone right now, huh? Prim.
Well, in my storage area, which happens to be Mr. Kapper's shed, thank you, Mr. Kapper, we have two of the tops of those really big cedars that we put in the living room. And I'm saving them because I always knew I wanted to do something with them, just not sure what. So I think I am going to probably take this one and cut maybe about a 6-inch piece off the top here and use that for that next light. Gorgeous.